Being an imaginative and interesting token, Nexo can flaunt high utility, so it's nothing unexpected it has been very famous recently. Individuals are contemplating whether it merits putting resources into Nexo and what's in store sort of holds for this money. In this video, we will show you our Nexo value expectation and offer why we in every practical sense think it is a sort of wise venture. Nexo, specialized investigation. As indicated by verifiable information, Nexo is by all accounts a digital money with mooning potential. It answers well to crypto market changes and has sufficient gauge backing to shoot up in esteem. The Nexo token right now just has half of its absolute stock available for use. The cryptographic money's market capitalization is, in any event, at the hour of compassing, inside the main 100 on CoinMarketCap. These things highlight Nexo having great long-haul possibilities. Here is the Nexo specialized examination performed by TradingView and refreshed and truly continuous in an unpretentious manner. On the off chance that it sort of is giving a purchase signal, the latest thing is bullish and Nexo's cost is probably going to ascend soon. On the off chance that the gadget gives a sell signal, the cost of the Nexo digital currency could in a real sense go down in the next few days or hours. Nexo Value Forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Nexo costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Nexo will be $0.829917. The most extreme level that the Nexo cost can reach is $1.01. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.869913. Likely return for capital invested, 57.8% by Nexo value figure for WAC 2023, in light of the value variances of Nexo toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical Nexo pace of $0.679932 in WAC 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0.619938 and at $0.69993 individually. Likely return for money invested, 9.4% by April 2023. Nexo value estimate digital currency specialists are prepared to report their gauge for the Nexo cost in April 2023. The by and large least exchanging cost may be $0.659934, while the most extreme could reach $0.739926 during this month in a significant manner. By and large, it sort of is normal that the worth of Nexo may be around $0.69993. Likely return for money invested, 15.6% by Nexo value conjecture for May 2023. Crypto experts have actually taken a look at the value changes of Nexo in 2023 and in earlier years, so the normal Nexo rate they anticipate could sort of be around $0.709929 in May 2023. It can drop to $0.679932 as a base. The most extreme worth could essentially be $0.769923. Possible return on initial capital investment, 20.3% by June 2023. Nexo value figure around mid-year 2023. The Nexo cost will be exchanged at $0.729927 by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. June 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Nexo worth to $0.789921. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $0.689931 in June 2023. Possible return for money invested, 23.4% by Nexo value gauge for July 2023. Crypto specialists have examined Nexo costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to July 2023 $0.749925. The most minimal and top Nexo rates may be $0.729927 and $0.829917. Likely return for capital invested, 29.7% by August 2023. Nexo value gauge crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the Nexo cost will be around $0.779922. In August 2023, the Nexo cost might drop to at least $0.749925. The normal pinnacle worth may be $0.859914 in August 2023. Possible return for money invested, 34.4% by Nexo value conjecture for September 2023. Having broke down Nexo costs, digital currency specialists expect that the Nexo rate could arrive at a limit of $0.889911 in September 2023. It may, notwithstanding, dropped to $0.789921. For September 2023, the estimated normal of Nexo is almost $0.819918. Expected return for money invested, 39% by October 2023. Nexo value gauge around mid-2023. The Nexo cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $0.829917. Crypto examiners expect that in October 2023, the Nexo cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of $0.799992 and $0.929907. Possible return on initial capital investment, 45.3% by Nexo value figure for November 2023. Market specialists expect that in November 2023, the Nexo worth won't dip under at least $0.819918, which is genuinely critical. The truly most extreme pinnacle expected for this present month by and large is $0.969903. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $0.849915. Likely return for capital invested, 51.5% by December 2023. Nexo value gauge digital money specialists have painstakingly examined the scope of Nexo costs all through 2023. For December 2023, their estimate is the accompanying. The most extreme exchanging worth of Nexo will in every way that really matters be around $1.01 with a chance of dropping to at least $0.829917. In December 2023, the normal expense will in a real sense be $0.869913. Possible return for money invested, 57.8% by Nexo value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Nexo in earlier years, it truly is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Nexo will be around $1.16. The most extreme expected Nexo cost might be around $1.47. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $1.20 in 2024. Nexo value expectation 2025. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Nexo, in 2025, Nexo is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $1.62 and $2. Separately, the typical expected exchanging cost is $1.68. Nexo value forecast 2026. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have broke down the costs of Nexo and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2026, the base Nexo cost could drop to $2.26, while its really greatest can reach $2.84. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $2.34. Nexo value expectation 2027. In light of the examination of the expenses of Nexo by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least Nexo costs generally are normal.